Maurice was the principal registrar at the Irish Court of Probate, his wife from a long-established Wiltshire family with an estate at Tefontavious. From 1896 to 1899, Alexander was the electrical advisor to the Cape Colony government in southern Africa. Whilst living there, Alys and Alexander explored the Cape, and Alys wrote and illustrated Old Cape Colony, a chronicle of her men and houses from 1652 to 1806. Some of Trotter's drawings are now in the William Fair collections in South Africa. See, for example, Head of a Labourer, Pressing Grapes, Old House at Stellenbosch. Trotter wrote poetry and was published in periodicals including Punch and the Cornhill magazine. Alys and Alexander had a son, Alexander Nigel, known as Nigel, born in 1894, and a daughter, Gundred Eleanor, born in 1889. Nigel was killed in action on October 12, 1914 at La Fosse, near Vieille-Chapelle, Bethune. The ground over which the British had to advance was intersected by small irrigation canals crossed by plank bridges, on which the officers and men offered a good target. Trotter is believed to have been first hit while crossing one of these bridges, and after advancing 3/4 of a mile fell with 2 more wounds. His death influenced her writing, and her poetry reflected on her life with Nigel and her loss. Her poem collections were Nigel, and Other Verses published by Burns and Oates in 1918, and Houses and Dreams published by Blackwell, Oxford in 1924. Trotter also continued drawing and painting. See for example 7th century Chinese bowl. Trotter died on December 21, 1961 at Greystones in Tefontavious.